Have you ever seen your tomatoes turn black at the bottom like this? This problem is called bottom end rot. This happens if your plant is not getting enough calcium from the soil. Don't worry, I've got a quick solution for this. Bone meal. This bone meal powder is packed with calcium and it helps prevent this bottom end rot. Just take a tablespoon and mix it into the soil around your tomato plants. For best results, water it in well. This will help the roots to absorb the calcium and keep your tomatoes growing healthy. As you can see mine, no more bottom end rot. My tomatoes are back to normal. Goodbye bottom end rot. Try this for yourself in your garden and let me know in the comments below how it works out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy gardening!